There we go. Now I'm recording. You can see up in the corner it's recording what I'm talking about. This is how I'd begin a lecture. Normally I'd start off with questions and try to engage you guys. Push the button on the remote, and it goes to the next slide. Talks about DCC, who we are. We are, surprisingly enough, a 2-year institution, despite our students surprisingly staying around what seems like forever. Our service region is number 4. It's the one I've circled with red. I know red and green are not the way to go, but at the time I was really struggling. I had to get this done. So we covered Danville, Pennsylvania, facts. Our mission is to provide quality higher education and workforce programs and services to promote student success and to enhance business and community development. But from what I understand, Dr. Holly, that is under review right now, right? You guys are working on that, and you want more volunteers for it? When's the next meeting? Today at 2. Anybody free today at 2? No. Nobody wants to volunteer. Surprise. It's okay, I'm not either. I'm in class. Now the thing is, DCC wouldn't be able to work without the wonderful personnel that work here. That's all of us. Without us, DCC utterly fails. But did you know, here's the thing. The people who you think you're talking to may not actually be the people you think you're talking to. For instance, there are 2 Davids. That's right. There's David Bonebright and David Balfour. They are different people. Balfour, he does anatomy and physiology. Bonebright actually does something that's worthwhile. Business. Chewy P. Get this. Brad Perlman, Robert Durr. Now, people at some points confuse these 2 people. Now, Brad does math. Robert does other assorted things. Stuff. Now, here's the deal. This is from way back when neither of them had beards. Now they both have beards, so that doesn't help either. Yeah, okay, I don't know. Personally, I get 1,001 emails meant for Kirsten, and I try not to pass them on because that person screwed up, and they should just stop there. And I know she gets them from me. Different people. Also, I've yet to figure out what the plural of panthesis is. So, Constantine, in Greek, what's the plural of panthesis? Thanks. All right. Christy, Teresa, Sue, all of them, yes, they're administrative assistants, but all of them have distinct responsibilities, personalities. There's another one. So, Brad, you show up many times. Apparently, just nobody knows who you are. So, apparently, there's an issue between Brad and Chad. And I'm pretty sure it's because of the add part. Back to math. The Georges, right? George Turnbull, George Still. Really doesn't matter. Neither will be here next year. So, takeaway message. We all need to work together to fulfill the mission of the college. The deal is, though, we should probably know who we're talking to at any given point.